to a Baja Dentistry informational video. This video is to give you a visual representation about where we, the clinic, can pick you up at the border and drop you off. To start, let's head over to the San Isidro port of entry, the busiest and most well-known.
Once you have exited the turnstiles that officially mean you're in Mexico, you will walk by these few food stalls where you can purchase tourist trinkets or a refreshing cup of fruit. You can follow the crowd where you will cross the street. There is always a border officer here directing pedestrians and vehicles, so no worries. Once on the center, you can choose to cross the street or remain on this side. Either way, a short walk is ahead of you. We suggest staying on this side, as there is less foot traffic.
But it's up to you.
Start walking against traffic. On the left, we have the Super Farmacias Milenio. They have a small cafe and some benches outside, if you feel the need for a short rest. There are some areas to sit on this side of the road, if needed. Heading toward the bus stop, you will turn left and cross the street. Make sure you look both ways and cross carefully. There is a taco stand, and right next to it, a business called TIJUANA. This is where we pick up and drop off patients. Now, cross the street without almost getting hit by a car.
Don't be me.
And wait here for the car, Uber, or taxi to pick you up.
Not many people know this, but there are actually two pedestrian ports of entry into Tijuana. You have San Isidro, which is the oldest, most well-known, and usually the busiest. And you have Chaparral, or Ped West, as you guys know it, which is newer.
Exiting the turnstiles at Ped West leads you into an open area with a huge sign that says Mexico Tijuana. This area was built for drop-offs and pickups, so you can wait anywhere. We suggest close to one of these drop-off and pickup signs.
There is one sign that specifically says Uber, Ascenso Descenso, Uber, Pickup and Drop Off. We suggest you wait there. We hope that this video helped you to see where we can pick you up and drop you off at the border as of the recording of this video. And from all of us here at Baja Dentistry, we wish you good oral health.